Hey guys, hello. I'm Dinesh here, and today I will teach you um, how to use a command in the command prompt or command line. Okay, guys. Firstly, I will tell you that is command is ls. There is ls command which is showing the list of in that particular directory. That's after ls you have to press enter. So you can see there is such type of directories and some files. See, then in that blue, that is the Dixon directory, and these are some file. See, you can see the extension with .bland, .osp, .desktop. And if you want to go inside the folder of any folder, such if I will take that download folder, so you have to press the command cd, means change directory, into the download folder, and see after that forward slash. So see, after that you have to press the button enter. See, we are came into the download folder, but there is nothing will show because if you not press the ls command, the directory will not showing the list. So if you press the ls command, then show the files and all the directories. See, you can see, uh see see so many files